And the spotlight is again being focused on local nurses and doctors who are refusing to take the COVID-19 vaccine. The latest criticism of their stance comes from an elected representative. Mayor Winston Maragh believes those who do not take the jab should, quote, go to their yards, end quote. More in this report from Cody and Barrett.
Maypen's Mayor Winston Maragh had his doubts in the early stages of the COVID-19 vaccine. This is what he had to say then.
You know, sometimes when something new come out, you can't just run into it because you don't know what effects it might have on you. So we want the big countries, them like America and Canada and England, go ahead and take the vaccine and let us see how it works for a little while before we rush into it.
But his faith in the science has since come full circle. Just months later, he is now insisting that medical practitioners who refuse to get the jab should be penalized.
So if you're a healthcare worker, you should have taken the vaccine long time or else go your yard.
Mr. Maragh reasoned that the healthcare workers who have taken a hardline stance against the vaccine are not irreplaceable.
We have whole lot more people out there want to work. People call me every day, they have this degree and they have that degree and they have this certificate and whatever.
You have to be trained.
As a member of the Southern Regional Health Authority Board, I'm saying this. No healthcare worker. So you can call your president. Tell her something so. No healthcare worker should be working unless they are fully vaccinated.
He cited the irony of the stance of some healthcare workers.
Thanks to them people who are so bright that them first are there at the front of the line. They take it. The doctors and the nurses. And even the healthcare workers who working at the health center. Who giving people the jobs every day. None of them should be given any jobs unless they are fully vaccinated. None of them. That's my belief. You cannot preach to people and you don't believe.
That's why
You think Mr. Grant and Pastor Benjamin around here and whoever else can go to church, go preach, and them not believe in the Bible and them not believe in Jesus and God? No. You must believe in the thing.
Mr. Maragh was speaking at a handover ceremony for outpatient facilities at the Lionel Town Hospital in Clarendon. Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.